Are you looking for a way to lock your WhatsApp account using a passcode, Touch ID, or Face ID on your iPhone? If your answer is yes, here's the step-by-step guide on how to enable the screen lock on WhatsApp on your iPhone. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Step 1. Enable the phone Face ID or Touch ID or passcode. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on Face ID and Passcode. Make sure to enable passcode, Touch ID, or Face ID. Here, you will get some like iPhone Unlock, Password Auto-Set. And now, enable all options by following the instruction. After successfully enabling, follow the next steps below. Solution 2. Enable Screen Lock on WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp and tap on the settings. After that, tap on Privacy. Scroll down and tap on the Screen Lock. Toggle the Require Face ID switch to the on position. And now, select the duration for when Face ID should be required. Your WhatsApp Screen Lock feature will be enabled. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.